Surah, number 92, of Quran Majeed. The night.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَغْشَى.
By the night when it envelops.
وَالنَّهَارِ إِذَا تَجَلَّى.
By the day when it brightens.
وَمَا خَلَقَ الذَّكَرَ وَالْأُنثَى.
By him who created the male and the female.
إِنَّ سَعْيَكُمْ لَشَتَّى.
Your endeavors are indeed diverse.
فَأَمَّا مَنْ أَعْطَى وَاتَّقَى.
As for him who gives and is God-wary.
وَصَدَّقَ بِالْحُسْنَى.
And confirms the best promise.
فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْيُسْرَى.
We will surely ease him toward facility.
وَأَمَّا مَنْ بَخِلَ وَاسْتَغْنَى.
But as for him, who is stingy and self-complacent,
وَكَذَّبَ بِالْحُسْنَى.
and denies the best promise,
فَسَنُيَسِّرُهُ لِلْعُسْرَى.
we will surely ease him toward hardship.
وَمَا يُغْنِي عَنْهُ مَالُهُ إِذَا تَرَدَّى.
His wealth will not avail him when he perishes.
إِنَّ عَلَيْنَا لَلْهُدَى.
Indeed, guidance rests with us.
وَإِنَّ لَنَا لَلْآخِرَةَ وَالْأُولَى.
And to us belong the world and the hereafter.
فَأَنذَرْتُكُمْ نَارًا تَلَظَّى.
So I warn you of a blazing fire.
لَا يَصْلَاهَا إِلَّا الْأَشْقَى.
Which none shall enter except the most wretched of persons.
الَّذِي كَذَّبَ وَتَوَلَّى.
He who impugns God's prophets and turns his back.
وَسَيُجَنَّبُهَا الْأَتْقَى.
The God-weary person will be spared of that.
الَّذِي يُؤْتِي مَالَهُ يَتَزَكَّى.
He who gives his wealth to purify himself.
وَمَا لِأَحَدٍ عِندَهُ مِن نِّعْمَةٍ تُجْزَى.
And does not expect any reward from anyone.
إِلَّا ابْتِغَاءَ وَجْهِ رَبِّهِ الْأَعْلَى.
But seek only the pleasure of their Lord, the most exalted.
وَلَسَوْفَ يَرْضَى.
And, surely, soon they will be well pleased.